write the Hamiltonian for 3 Ising spin. The Hamiltonian for 3 Ising spin S0, S1 and S2 takes the value plus minus 1. Takes the value plus minus 1. That means S0, S1 and S2 की value plus minus 1 हो जाती है. And the Hamiltonian is given by minus j S0 S1 plus S2. They have given some Hamiltonian like this. And T is equilibrium temperature. This is a previous year question which I am doing. And you have to find the average energy. That is question mark. Okay, 5 mark question hai ye exam ka. So please see this. They have not given, but 3 spins are there and these are Ising spins. And please see, ये कुछ ऐसी रही होगी. S0, S1 and S2. Please see, कुछ ऐसी spin रही होगी. तभी तो S0 and S1 and S0 and S2 दोनों का interaction यहाँ पे लिया गया है. And J is that interaction energy. Can you see that? So this is not given, but I can form this question like this, that there is an open Ising system. In the spins are like this. So nearest neighbor approximation mein what will happen? S0 will interacts with S1 and S0 will interacts with S2, but no interaction of S1 and S2. Correct? So that's why you see the Hamiltonian is written like this. बात समझ आ रही है या नहीं? बताओ मुझे.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
if that is okay, so just write S0, S1 and S2. These are the spins. And then write the value of Hamiltonian, so that we would be able to write all the partition functions. So for this कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा? 1 2 3 4 1 2 all possible states लिख दिया मैंने. I have written all the possible states of Hamiltonian. Now tell me what are the values of Hamiltonian quickly. 1 1 1. What will be the value?
minus 2j naught.
Minus 2j. फिर S0, S1, S2. So it will become 0. सभी लोग देखो ध्यान से. Then S1, S2. This will again be 0. Then please see this.
Plus 2j.
This will become minus 2. This will become plus 2j. And this will become 1 and 1, 2. So it will become minus 2j. This will again become 0. This will again become 0.
वो प्लस 2j होगा ना सर?
कौन सा?
जो minus 2
हाँ हाँ plus 2j. Right.
Then the last one will be minus 2j na?
So it is minus 2 and minus 2j. So these are the Hamiltonians that are formed. So we can make the energy levels like this: minus 2j, 0 and plus 2j. And we can write the degeneracies. Minus 2j is 2 times, 0 is 4 times,
4 times,
and this 2j is
2 times.
2 times. This is the degeneracy. So write the partition function. So z is equal to 2 times e to the power beta 2j plus 4 times plus 2 times e to the power minus beta 2j. So ये क्वेश्चन हो सकता था कि इसका लोग पार्टीशन फंक्शन पूछ लेते, but they have asked average energy. So please write average energy. It is given by -1 by z del z by del beta. Correct? बता दो कितना आएगा. So if you don't know that how the Ising spins work and there is no background, you will see this word Ising and you will leave the question. What is this Ising? Huh? Otherwise it can be done easily. And then further calculate everything at your own. You can calculate specific heat CV also. So what you got? Average E?
minus 2j
Hmm.
sine of 2j beta upon 1 plus cos hyperbolic 2j beta.
Here also it's hyperbolic, no?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Obviously there is no
Yes, sir.
chance
Hyperbolic होगा.
of getting
Cos hyperbolic 2j beta.
anything other than hyperbolics, no? So this is the average energy. Please see this. समझ आया भाई सबको? How this Ising spins are working? Are you
Yes,
able
sir.
to? Everybody? Or if you want to ask anything, you feel free to ask. So let me